The 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, automatic temperature control, a tonneau cover, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.